how to redeem Robux codes. Now, for you to be able to redeem any kinds of gifts that involves Roblox except for games experiences, is this is the method on how you will be doing it. So first things first is head to your roblox.com and make sure that you log into your account. Next thing that you want to do is to create a new tab and just simply type in roblox.com/redeem. Now, this is going to be the redemption page of all the Roblox gift cards that you will receive, and as well as the physical box that you will be purchasing it on the physical store. So all you have to do is just to key in and input the characters after you scratched a certain area of the box, and you will have the characters there. You just input it here and make sure that if there is gonna be a capital letter from any of the characters on the box, you'll have to follow it here as well. So after typing it in, just simply click on this small box right here by checking the box that you will acknowledge that you're at least 18 years of age. Now check the box and just simply choose on redeem option. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can redeem Roblox codes on Roblox.